Hello traders! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Module 3 ng Alpha Batch Intensive Training. So, with Module 3, meron tayong studies about different market approach. Because every trader or investor, meron silang way kung paano nila i-execute ang kanilang buying and selling ng stocks. So, we have the fundamental analysis, technical, the mental and psychology analysis. Kumbaga, nung nakaraan, pinag-aralan natin na ang market ay gumagalaw lang sa tatlong trend. Dapat laging mong alam yung mga keywords o yung kabuuan o yung summary niya para hindi ka maligaw sa pagpasok sa loob. Gets? Meron tayong trend, tatlo, uptrend, sideways, then downtrend, then papasok ka sa loob nun, alam mo yon. Pag sa study naman ng gap, in a hole, meron lang dalawa, gap up and gap down, then papasok ka. Alam mo yung mga keywords, alam mo yung dapat mong pasukin. Sa divergences, meron lang tayong dalawang studies. It's either bearish divergence or bullish divergence. Then, papasok ka doon. Sa stock market in a whole, bago ka mag-invest, kailangan, alam mo yung mission, vision, and values mo. Kung ano yung, sabi, without vision, people perish. Alam natin kung ano yung pupuntahan natin. At dapat natin i-maintain na character. So, alam natin dapat lagi yung mga keywords bago natin pinapasok para hindi tayo maligaw. Para meron tayong guide. Yun yung importance, yun yung kahalagahan niya. Okay? Pag gumagawa kayo, nagsusulat kayo ng journal, wag nyong iwawaglit or pababayaan na hindi kayo magsulat sa journal. Kasi, in times gusto nyong balikan, hindi naliligaw kayo mismo. Iba yung maitutulong nun. So, please, do it. So, in stock market, sa pag-market approach, tatlo. Fundamentals, ito yung maraming kinukwenta. Price earning, financial statements, technicals, price action, mental, market sentiments. Right? Tatlo lang yan. Kailangan malaman natin yung pagkakaiba nila. Para malaman natin yung pagkakaiba, kaya nating mapasok sila. So, hindi ako fundamentalist. As you all know, technical and market sentiments ang ginagamit ko sa market. Kaya, mostly basic lang dito. Kasi, ang ginagamit ko talaga, technicals, and hinahaluan ko lang nito. Para malaman natin ang pagkakaiba nila, kasi pag nalaman mo yon, malalaman mo rin siyang magamit. Kung applicable ba sa'yo, kung magbe-benefit ba for you. Okay? Huwag natin sabihin na mahirap. Hindi mo pa nga napapasok, hindi mo pa nga alam, mahirap na. So, kapag nalaman mo yung pagkakaiba, you can take advantage of when, kailan, at paano mo siya magagamit. Right? So, before we talk about this, I want you to know, I think nabanggit ko to ng mga nakaraan topic, sinulat ko rito because ayaw kong makalimutan nyo at ayaw kong dumating yung araw, makikita ko kayo sa comment section na iba-iba ang sinasabi. Because hindi maalala or hindi alam. So, stock prices, in overall, dahil kahit anong trend pa yan, kahit anong galaw pa yan, kahit anong profit or loss pa yan, they are driven by beliefs. No? Yung nagbebenta, tsaka bumibili, they have their own beliefs, kaya nila ginagawa yon. Stock prices are driven by beliefs. So what is belief? It is something one accepts as true or real. A firmly held opinion or conviction. Stock prices are driven by their own conviction of what is true or what is real, what is good for them. So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung good na yun. Maaring hindi yun good sa kanila. Hindi pala yun good. Because that is their belief. That's why we have price action. Because of different stock traders who have their different beliefs. It is driven by that. Paliwanag po. Gets nyo na ayokong dumating yung time na hindi nyo alam kung bakit merong anong nagtutulak sa stock prices. Iba-iba ang sagot. So, what drives price action? So, ano naman yun? Bakit hindi pa tayo pumunta rito? I want you to understand this. So, if they are driven by beliefs, ano-ano yung mga belief na yun? So, What drives price action to move up or to move down? Sabihin mo lang ba, uptrend, downtrend, hindi mo alam kung bakit. Ay, pala tayo hindi alam. Kailangan malaman natin to. Wise investor, wise trader tayo. They are market-driven, event-driven, fundamental-driven. So what are the difference of these three? Market-driven is, it's like the profit-taking, the bargain hunting, the overall market sentiments. Ginagalaw ng mga trader. Bumibili, umi-exit, trade dito ng MA920, trade dito ng ganito. Market-driven. Event-driven, ito naman yung mga tinatawag na significant or one-time event. Significant one-time event na maaaring calamity, natural calamity, or black swan news, na bihira lang mangyari. Or, pwede natin sabihin na news-driven. Gumagalaw, kunyari yung PXP, gumalaw dahil sa news, ayun na, nagtuloy-tuloy na yung akyat. Ganun. Or kaya si Telco, nung nasa piso pa siya, I mean, yung news sa kay ISM, nung nasabi na lalaban siya sa Telco, sumunod-sunod na yung pag-akyat. Nag-correct kasi nagkakaroon na naman ng gulo, hindi natin alam kung kailan magkakaroon ulit ng event or news para ma-drive siya sa stock prices niya at by different beliefs, it will move. Okay? Fundamental driven, it is when change in business model or material improvement, kung ano man yung binabalak ng kumpanya na magpapabuti sa statement ng company niya. That is a fundamental driven. So, gets nyo? We have different market approach by these three. Pag pumasok sa loob, they have these stock prices which are driven by beliefs. Pag may yung belief na yon, nilalapatan mo na kung ano mang gagamitin mo rito ang strategy ng tatlo or analysis. Okay? Then, driven by beliefs. So, ano yun? Ito yun. Tatlo. Gets? Ang ganda, diba? Pag gagawa mo siya ng flowchart, ganun pala yun. So, sa may mga book kayo, open nyo rito para po sa guide. So, we should read that book. Kasi, Taglish na yon, mag-iintindihan natin na madali, mas dadami yung alam natin. 149 to 154. So, papasok na tayo sa tinatawag na fundamental analysis. So, what is fundamental analysis? Sabi ko kanina yung mga kwenta. So, this is a method of evaluating our security in an attempt to assess its intrinsic value. Sinabi mong intrinsic value, ito yung mga real value na ina-assume nila or nakwenta nila. But in Funda, they have two assumptions. Na iniisip nila, eto kasi yan, ganito kasi yan. So, first is, prices on the stock market does not fully reflect a stock real values. So, halimbawa, itong isang company A, ang presyo niya is 2. Pero kapag kinuwenta mo lahat ng mga financial statement niya, ang totoo niya palang presyo is 20 pesos. Ganun ang sinasabi nila. Ganun ang kanilang assumption in Funda. Meron naman ng mga overprice na, overvalue na 15 siya, pero ang price niya lang talaga daw pag sa is 10 piso. Meron mga ganon. Dapat natin din malaman baka mayroong mga expansion or ibang fundamental driven pag ganong klase. So that is their first assumption on Funda. Does not fully reflect a stock real values. So second is, in the long run, the stock market will reflect the fundamentals or the real price. Kung ano yung nakwenta nila. But the thing is, this is their safe word in the long run, which is we don't know exactly when. When is that long run? Is that a month, a week, 3 weeks, years, 5 years, 10 years? No, they don't have an answer. They only have this in the long run. Ganyan sa Funda. Okay? in the funda. So, basic lang to kasi kung aaralin mo pa yan, kung accountant ka or what, malalim siya. Pero, inano natin yung sa surface, yung mga mahalaga, yun ang dadaanan natin. Unless na lang gusto mo talaga maging fundamental analysis, it's up to you. But as you all know, this alpha training is more about technicals. More about the whole market. The whole market, kung paano tumatakbo, paano ka talagang maging trader, tapos papasok tayo sa loob. Tulad na napag-usapan natin nung una, ikaw muna, then papuntang PSE, then yung loob ng PSE. So, yun yung ating mga guide, yun ang ating summary. So, the most important financial statement, 3, income, balance, and cash flow. So, that, hindi naman po ito mahirap. Kung titignan nyo, yung income statement is profit. Alam natin yung profit lahat, di ba? But paano makukuha yung profit? So, revenue minus expenses. What is revenue? Revenue simply means the sales. Sales mo minus mo yung gastos equals to profit. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng income statement. When you said balance sheets, this is to know how much the company owns and how much the company owes, which simply means asset minus liabilities equals the equity. Yun yung balance sheets. Meron silang own, meron silang owes. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga formula, diba? Cash flow. Ibig sabihin lang ito yung pag-flow, diba? Pero yung flow na paglabas at pagpasok. It shows how much comes in and goes out in a company by means of operation, may financing, or investing. So, pag-flow ng pera. Overall, fundamental analysis, ang gusto nitong iparating sa investor, sa trader, o sa tao na gusto sa stock market is for us to know if the company or the stock is a good investment. They want you to be safe. They have assumption that is the company stock a good investment. So, what exactly does the company do? Ito yung mga mahalagang tanong pag sa funda na dapat mong masagot, malaman, bago ka mag-invest. So, malaman mo na good investment siya. Paano yun? Is the company's revenue growing? Lumalaki ba yung mga sales? Is the company actually making a profit? Malaki ba yung naging profit? Yun yung sa good investment. Pag sinabi mong good investment, marami pang nakailalim doon. Okay? But overall, if the stock is a good investment, and then, what does the company do? Ano yung market niya? Anong sector siya? Yun. What does the company do? Who are the people behind the stock? Behind that company? So, marami yun, di ba? Maraming branch. Marami kang i-research. Pwede mo siya ma-research sa website, sa PSE Edge, sa PSE page. Doon mo siya pwedeng i-research. So, you should never, kahit sino, kahit trader, you should never blindly invest or trade in a company na hindi mo inaral. Kasi nga, nag-i-invest lang tayo sa knowledge na meron tayo para dun sa stock na bibilhin natin. That's why we are investing in knowledge. Whether it's free or you paid for it, that's what, you should never blindly invest in the company. Diba? Sasabihin, anong stock bibili natin? Ang bibili mo lang stock is kung ano yung kung saang knowledge ka nag-invest. Kung saan yun. Kung stock na to, wala kang in-invest na knowledge, binili mo yan, wala kang Kaya tayo nag-invest sa knowledge. Because this is all about what? This is all about money-making business. Seryosohan to kasi pera to. At ang pera dito, hindi lang sa simpleng tao. Government, churches, different company, insurance, networking, andito rin ang pera nila. Dito umiikot halos ang pera sa Pilipinas. SSS, name it. Nandito sa stock market. That's why we are studying it. Ganon ka, simpleng, why? Why do you study it? Because ano yung pera? Kung gusto mo magkapera, gusto mo makatake advantage to them, you have to know the game. Because you cannot win a battle or the game you do not understand. You cannot win it. Okay. Second is the technical analysis. Ito yung mainit ang dugo natin lahat dahil nakikita natin Nakita natin sa mga group, technical analysis. When I was starting, sobrang madalang ang nagpo-post ng technicals because this is very expensive. Nung dumating ako, wala ganong nagpo-post nito. Walang gusto magturo dahil limited. Marami sa internet, pero kasi hindi siguro agad nila, ang hirap kasi intindihin. Alam mo yun? Nung ako rin unang nag-aaral dito, kanina may nagtanong sa akin, yung kaibigan ko, paano ka nag-aaral ng technicals, ganun-ganun. Sabi ko, yung mga 920 mo. Sabi ko, oh, by experience, inaral ko talaga siya. Hindi ko naman siya nakita yung 920 kung kanino. Sa araw-araw mong, minsan natatalo ka, mag-aaral ka ulit. So, yung mga losses na yun, yun yung nag-push para mag-study pa. To study harder. Technical analysis. Okay? So, ngayon marami na nagpo-post about technicals. At ang maganda pa doon, hindi naman maganda. At ang naging resulta, sobrang dami nagpo-post, maraming beliefs, di ba? Because stock price are driven by different belief. Maraming belief na mali-mali sa pagbabasa ng technicals. Mali-mali, makikita mo. Akala nila tama, pero mali. So, they are biased with the chart, with the stock. But actually, minsan bearish na yung stock, bias pa yung chartist. So, yung chart or yung price action hindi magsisinungaling, pero yung chartist nagkakamali siya or kaya bias lang siya sa stock na hawak niya kahit bearish na. Maraming ganun. Maraming ganun na bias chartist, bearish chart. So, huwag kayong magiging ganun. Okay. Identify trading opportunities. Kaya tayo nag-analyze by technicals para makita natin yung opportunity. We analyze, forecast, and predict by the price action and movement we see in the chart. Chart is our tools. Ano meron sa chart? Price action. Gets? Sulat niyo yun. Trying to forecast future trends by means of chart, the tool. So, we don't need to listen to what people are saying, hot tips, chismis, or anumang post nila yan. Katuwaan lang yun. But we have to look at what they are doing. So, paano yun? Paano mo makita yung ginagawa nila? By means of price action. Because every candle, every price action is driven by beliefs of those individual traders or whoever behind that candle. That is an equal or a sum ng mga paniniwala or ng mga nag-trade that day, whatever time frame ang tinitignan mo sa price action. You get what I mean? So, hindi natin kailangan makinig sa sinasabi nila. Kailangan natin tumingin sa kung anong ginagawa nila, hindi yung usyoso. Titingin ka, a-analyze ka sa price action. At kapag ang pag-a-analyze sa price action, ang tawag is technical analysis. Study of price action. At bawat kandila, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, huwag niyo kalimutan, bawat kandila ay emosyon ng iba't ibang trader. Paniniwala ng iba't ibang trader. Kaya siya kumikilos. Simple lang yun. Okay? The tool is the chart. Sa loob ng chart, may price action. May kandila. So, sa kandila, do you think need natin daanan isa-isa yun? Basic yun, nasa libro yun eh. Pero sige, try ko lang ha. I-comment ko sa yung link ng study ng candles. Meron ako nagawa dati. So, market timing. Kapag nag-study ka ng price action, tawag sa'yo, nagte-technical analysis ka, gamit ang tools ng chart. At kapag ginawa mo yon, ang magiging strategy mo, ang tawag dito is market timing. So, sama-sama yan. Sama-sama sila. Huwag kayong maguluhan, huwag kayong malito. Kailangan alam mong i-differentiate ang mga bagay na ito. Hindi ka lang nag-entry, hindi ka lang nag-exit. Alam mo yung pagkakaiba nila. Kasi nakakahiya. Minsan may nakikita ako sa mga comments na iba, hindi ko alam kung iba-iba yung meaning nila. Minsan ipipilit pa nila yun. So when you're studying the price action, you call that technical analysis. And your tools is charting. Price action, once you have this, what is your strategy is market timing and you are called a trader. Yes? Okay. Because ang pinakasaulado ko, technical analysis, kahit paikot-ikutan natin ito, saulado ko to, head to toe, head to tail, saulado ko to. Trader. So, you're a trader. So, everyone can trade, but not everyone is a trader. Do you get that? Lahat pwedeng mag-buy and sell, but hindi lahat kaya maging trader. Bigyan mo yan ng panahon or ng 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, wala na yan. Ubus na pera. Hindi nila na kaya maging trader. Because winning is different. They are world apart. Winning and consistency sa trading mo is magkaiba. They are different. So you can be a trader, a real market trader, which are consistent winners. Yes, everyone can trade, but not everyone is a trader. So, dapat maalala nyo rito yung mga una natin na pag-aralan, that 90% loser, 10% or wala pa sa 10% ang nananalo. That's why the most common among traders are pain, emotional pain, financial crisis, because they are lack of guide sa pagsisimula nila. They are not lucky enough to have this right guide. Kasi nga, ang pag-aaral nila, pagpasok sa stock market, punta agad sa basura. Punta agad sa penny stock. Hindi nila naiintindihan in a whole kung paano ito kumikilos. Kaya, huwag kayong magtataka kapag, ba't lagi na lang ako talo, nag-aaral naman ako? Because there is a missing point. There is something missing in the puzzle. Yes? So first, once you know this, ito ang papasukin mo sa mundo ng technical analysis, kailangan mo muna malaman kung ano ang iyong trading identity. It's your ID. Hindi ka makakapasok kung hindi mo alam ang identity mo. Makakapasok ka man pag nakita ka ng gwardiya, palalayasin ka because you don't have this identity. Ano ibig sabihin doon sa pinapalayas ka? Matatalo ka kagad, then chupi. Ubos. Ubos ang kapital. Ubos yung mga kinita mong winning. You must be a consistent winner. So you must have this trading identity. Naalala ko. I think, mabisa ko yung salita. Rewind lang po. Pasensya na. So, finding your trading identity. So, do you want to be an investor or trader? Sabi ko sa inyo nakaraan, meron akong long term. It just happened na nagkaroon ako ng bagger. Pero hindi talaga ako, ang mindset ko or yung aking utak talaga, hindi pang investor. Nandun lang ako sa linya or doon sa paniniwala na ayoko kasi sabihin ng iba sa akin, or hindi naman maganda nakiking tayo sa sabi-sabi ng iba. Pero ayoko yung, trade ka ng trade, wala ka namang na-bagger, ganun. Ready ako lagi. Ito bagger ko. Meron akong ganong attitude. But, identity, I'm a real trader. Trader talaga ako. Okay? You have to know your trading identity. If in case you have your own bagger, screenshot mo yan, ilagay mo yan sa journal mo, kung saan man yan. Ano mo yan remembrance mo yan Diba? Na, kaya ko rin mag-bag. Alam ko mag-bagger ng stock. Because I can adapt. Ganun yung Ganun yung, dapat yung, as a trader, ganun yung mindset natin. You can adapt to changes ng market. Hindi ka lang, dito lang ako. In a whole, ito yung market, nandito ka lang. Hindi mo alam yung iba't ibang lugar. That is not wise trading. That is not wise investing. You have this awareness dapat. Dapat meron tayong awareness kung ano siya in a whole. Hindi mo dapat laruin, hindi mo man malaro lahat, alam mo siya. Iba yung alam mo Okay? So, in trading identity, kapag alam mo na yan, in a whole, ito siya, diba? Chart, tools, trend knowledge, the trend, up, down, sideways. Tapos di ba mayroong papasukin yon. Pag napunta tayo sa technical trading, doon na tayo. Module 4 yun right? Doon na tayo iikot sa puro technicals. So, kailangan sipagan nyo pa talaga. Kasi hindi siya, pang masipag siya. Pang sa taong seryoso lang talaga siya. Itong pag-aaral nito. Kung talagang seryoso ka. So, sa trend knowledge, magpasok mo doon sa loob, meron different study, di ba? So, ito yung buod niya, or summary niya. Chart, you have the knowledge of the trend, and then, the market timing, which is your action and execution in the market. So, that is your 3 guide. Diba? So, once you arrive in your trading identity, ang ginugol natin is makita yung best buying points. Diba? Best buying points, tsaka ko na ipapasok yung mga trading plans or exit. Basta, you have to know or find the best buying points. So, in technical analysis, your tool is the price chart. So, your objective is identifying high probability entry and exit points. So, ano ang tool? Chart, sulat. Ano ang objective mo? Yan, di ba? Technical analysis. Pasok sa loob. Ilagay mo to. Then, sagutin mo to rito. Tool, price chart. What is your objective? Identifying high probability of entry and exit points. That is your objective as a trader who is doing a market timing by studying the price action using a chart. Yes? Yes, okay. So, by technical analysis, once alam mo na yung tool, alam mo na yung objective, what is the characteristic? Pattern recognition, how the prices move, pattern recognition, what is the bullish bias, yun eh. And you are detecting the demand. Kung nasaan yung demand para mag-profit. So, hindi tayo makikinig sa sinasabi ng iba. Titingnan natin yung ginagawa nila by means of price action. So, we can arrive with our high probability of entry and exit. So, ang source natin yung InvestUp, PSE tools, or yung first metro, kung ano man yung ginagamit nyo as a source of technical analysis. So, market timing, dahil nga yun ang ginagawa natin strategy sa market. So, market timing without a system, pag wala kang system, syempre may consequence ka. Kasi pabaya yung ganon. Pag walang sistema. So, wala pa tayo sa study of system. Nandun pa lang tayo sa guide, inahula. So, what are the consequences? The consequences are, mostly those traders they are chasing tips and hot issues. Andun sila. Chasing tips and hot issues. They are making money fast. Siguro may tip, nagkaroon sila ng pera. But they can also lose that money fast. Ganon. Ganon yung mga consequence nun. Kasi, hindi hindi alam talaga kung ano yung concrete o kung ano yung finite or definite na plan niya. Mahabol lang sa tip tsaka sa chismis, hot issues. Kaya making money fast and losing money faster. Yeah? May ER sa losing money. So, pag wala ang system, market timing without a system, pag hindi mo alam gamitin yan, is you're currently searching for a holy grail. So, in stock market or technical analysis, there is no holy grail. Walang ganun. And you have the consequence of slow development. Minsan taon na tayo, hindi pa tayo marunong, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Ang daming pantalo, dagdag lang ng dagdag galing sa sahod. Wala nangyayari. Yung pinapangarap na premium hanggang ngayon, wala. Kasi nga, naliligaw. Pagpasok, punta ng basura. So, kailangan merong guide para hindi mapunta sa mga 10% loser of market. How about market timing with a system? Ano yung benefits nun? Benefits nun, syempre, you can understand what the crowd are doing. Kung ano yung ginagawa ng marami, and you can find the probability, the objective of finding the high probability of your entry and exit. So, yun yung benefits. No, naintindihan mo yung price action. Marunong ka nito. What are the other? You can make money consistently. Dito, sa walang system, ang consequence nila is making money fast, but losing money faster. While here, if you have the system, kung ano man yung ginagalaw ng merkado, alam mo mag-respond, meron kang sistema para doon. Halimbawa, sa bottom fishing, may sistema ka, sa uptrend, may sistema ka din. No, hindi pwedeng puro uptrend ang laro mo, puro uptrend. Paano kung walang uptrend? Puro bounce, puro range play. Hindi ka na mabubuhay, lalo na kung full-time trader ka, wala na. Hindi, dapat alam mo. You can adapt. Meron kang sistema, pag yun ang dumating, alam mong maglaro. So, making money consistently. So, if you have the system, you can manage the risk. Managing risk. Okay? And you will have, syempre ito, fast development. Yun ang maganda. Mabilis yung progreso mo. Hindi mabagal. Yun yung benefits niya. So, okay? Okay. Next. Oops. Ang susunod natin is, because the study is about, the module is about stock market is consists of technical, fundamental, and market sentiment psychology. But before we go, or we move forward to that, I want you to see this. I want you to know this, that these are the difference. Malit ko lang siya nasulat. Sa fundamentals, mostly they are long-term. So, huwag niyo isipin na meron lang long-term. Meron pang tinatawag na PCA, or nagdadagdag sila monthly, or quarterly, annually, whatever they want to. Nagdadagdag sila ng pera para ibili ng stock na good fundamentals. Kasama yan dito, long-term PCA, or tinatawag nila mid-term, ganun. Sinabing long talaga yan. Because the assumption, the fundamentalist assumption na, ano yung assumption nila is, it is, in the long run. Sorry. In the long run, di ba? Yun ang fundamental assumption. That the market, the stock market, will show the real value in the long run. Which we don't know when. But in technicals, market timing, that is a short term. Okay? Fundamentals, they look at the business, while the technicals, we look at the price. To a technical analyst, buying and selling at the right time is more important. The key word is right time. Ulitin ko. To a technical analyst, buying and selling at the right time is more important than buying and selling the right stock. Fundamentals kasi sabihin nila right stock. Ito yung tamang stock. Ito yung good stock. But no, in technicals, we have this right timing. There is no good, there is no good stock, there's no bad stock. There is only right timing. Yun ang ating motto sa technical analysis o sa technical word. Ayaw nyo man yung marinig o gusto. Dahil sa mga fundamentals, masakit sa tenga nila yon. Nasasabihin mong walang good at bad stock, masakit sa tenga nila yon. Nabubwisit sila. Pero sa mundo ng mga technical trader, there are no good stocks, there are no bad stock. We only have this good timing. We only have this right timing. Right time. Timing is everything when it comes to technicals. Bakit? Merong mga stock na walang laman o maakyat. Nagpapakita ng price action. Because minsan, yung fundamentals niya or hindi pa siya na-absorb ng market, gumalaw na sa technicals, huling lumabas sa funda or sa news. Lumabas na sa tao because minsan yung mga insider nag-iipon, bumibili, hindi nila napipigil na kaka-accumulate nila, tumataas, nakikita ng mga technical traders talaga. Unang gumagalaw ang price, kaya nga tinawag na price action is king. So we don't care about the right stock, we only care about the right timing. Kahit good stock yan, right timing. Kahit hindi magandang stock, sakyan mo yung trend, right timing. Yun yung motto. I hate to tell you that, but that is the truth when it comes to technicals. In fundamentals, while buying and selling the right stock is the goal of fundamentals. So, they search for the value, we search for demand. Nasa ng mga tao? We look at their action. By price action. They estimated the value, they make kwenta-kwenta. Tayo, market determines kung saan papunta. So, by market in a whole. Sa fundamentals, cheap could remain cheap. Tayo sa technicals, di natin alam yun. Merong cheap kasi na tumataas, tapos kapag natapos yung trend or yung basagan na ng support or natapos na yung play, tapos na. Simple as that. Kasi hindi natin kayang magpunta sa matagal. Unless nakabagger ka. Sakyan mo piso, 10 piso na ngayon. Trail stop na lang yun. Okay? So, ito yung sabi ng stock market. Fundamentals is your outlook. Yes, it's good. It's okay. Kapag nabagger mo yung isang walang mawawala sa'yo kung i-check mo rin what is behind that stock. That is your outlook. Kung ano yung tinitignan nila, nilulooking forward ng isang company. But technicals or the price action is your confirmation. Kung nangyayari ba sa stock market. Ang gusto ng fundamentals dahil nga sabi, hindi nga natin alam yung kung kailan yan, kung gaano habang panahon ang ginogol nila dun sa intrinsic value nila. Hindi natin alam. But technicals is your confirmation on when when the stock is going up or down. And then price is the final answer. Price action is king. So these are the branch. Stock market, we have these players. Okay, what are these players? They are the traders, investors, they are the owners, they are the management, they are the government, they are the churches, they are the hedge fund. I'm sorry, because hapon na. Kapag hapon, may mga dumarang aso doon. Kaya tumatakol yung aso namin. I'm sorry. Players are the investors, traders, the owner of the company. Minsan nagbebenta din sila, di ba? The management, the government, the churches, the hedge fund, the social security, whatever. They are the players of the stock who are driven by the different beliefs, motives, beliefs. So, hindi natin alam kung ano-ano, maaaring sa earning, maaaring short-term period lang nila for short-term profits. They are buying because of the business, kung anong pinaproject. Different beliefs, nakalimutan ko lang. Or motives. Okay? Sinabi mong alpha at beta sa stock market, ito yung alpha, ito yung mga growth stock. Ito yung beta, ito yung market sentiments, ito yung mga stock na nadadrive ng mga player sa beta. Sahin ko yung meaning para... So... Investors tend to focus on alpha or specifically growth stock in order to compound money over the long run. While traders, though it pays to be in the right stock, o kung nakakuha ng right stock tapos meron pang right action, price action, edi good. We only follow the right action. Also consider the importance of beta. Because study shows that 60 to 70% of a stock short-term swing are because of the market. Nag-i-swing yung market, gumagalaw-galaw. Because of the market or ng mga trader or yung mga beta, yung tinatawag. Kahit hindi siya alpha stock, beta siya. Yun. Kaya sila gumagalaw. 60 to 70% of stocks short-term swings are because of the market alone. Hindi ng growth or minsan kasi ganito yan. So, ito kanina. Here. Napaliwanag ko ba ito? Hindi pa, no? Ito yan. Sometimes, this is the price action. Nagko-correct. And this is the price earning. Itong slope na to. Hindi natin alam minsan kung kailan nga yung when na tataas na siya, yung ma-appreciate na ng market ang real value or intrinsic value niya. Pero sa stock market, bumabagsak siya. Mostly tataas, mas babagsak ulit. Kaya kung marunong ka ng technicals, nakakapag entry-exit ka with high probability of winning. So, hindi ko sinasabing mali ang funda. It's just that nasa technical word talaga ako. Because in investor, di ba, nakita nyo kahapon na pinost ko dun sa page. This is the quadrant of the stock. No, minsan kasi hindi pa natin alam yung earnings. Eh kung taon pala yan, 5 taon, hindi natin alam. Tapos 5 taon, tapos nakabili ka pala dito. So tagal pa, parang yung high price, I mean. So there is a hope. Then pag sa top na grid, pag pa-correct na, nagkakaroon na ng takutan. And pag nasa down na, doon na desperation. That is the emotional cycle of investor and trader in the market. So if you look into here, we have these fundamentals and technicals which are driven, nakagitna yung sentiments, risk management. Ito ang ibig ko sabihin dito is, may mga nagsasabi na, risk management lang yan. Yung stock trading, risk management lang yan. Hindi. May nagsasabi na, sentiments lang yan. Hindi. Yan yung parang puno niya. Ito yung kung nangyari, ito stock market yan. Hindi na lang na-drawing yung mga dahon. Yan. But, ang ginagamit ko dito, technicals, sentiments, and risk management. Ikaw, kung anong gagamitin mo, kanyari, funda, magkaroon ka rin ng risk management. Hindi pwedeng risk management alone lang. Kailangan may gagamitin ka sa dalawa. Kung kaya mong gamitin sabay, di good. So, yung nasa loob niya, may sentiments, ito yung mga tao, di ba? Kung ano mo ang gagamitin mo. Dapat may risk management ka. Protection ng pera mo. So, tingnan ko yung next. So, in technical analysis, you're looking only on what prices are doing. Dito. Kung ano yung tinatakbo ng presyo. The price behavior of stock or securities is the outcome of crowd psychology. Kung ano yung ginagawa. Hindi yung sinasabi, but what they are doing. That is the crowd psychology. And your goal is to use those tools to gain profits. The high probability of entry exit that you will gain profits. That is your goal as a technical trader. As a technical analyst. So, hindi pa tayo sa technical trading Yung technical analysis lang yung sinasabi ko. So, I hope na dun sa mga na-explain natin, nakita nyo kung ano ba yung kasi meron akong nakalagay dito sa module na breaking myths. Kung na-scope ko ba yung tamang paraan ng when or how mo siya pwedeng magamit. Kung ano yung mga paniniwala nyo dati na akala ko dito lang, akala ko ito lang yon. So, I hope na naging maliwanag. So, ano yung conclusion nyo? So, this is the conclusion. Price is the final answer. Whatever it is, ano man yung alam mo. Price is the final answer. Profit is your result. Ikaw na tao. Kung ano nang naging resulta mo. Yun yung profit talaga. Okay? Yun yung conclusion. So, kung may masasabi pa kayong iba, or hindi kayo ganong naguluhan, i-replay nyo lang, rewind, kung medyo naging mabilis. Hindi pa kasama rito yung market psychology. Okay? So, yung dalawa lang, because masyado siyang mahaba. Pero, i-upload ko pa yung isa. So, maraming salamat. Thank you. And, bukas, i-upload ko. Pagkatapos nyo napanood to, kung makapag-comment kayo, kung ano man yung tanong nyo, bukas, ng hapon, is, gusto ko matapos nyo muna panoorin to, is i-upload ko naman yung kanyang PDF copy. Okay? Thank you very much. And good luck, Alpha. I hope na marami kayo natutunan ngayon. At sa susunod pa nating module, because that is technical, that is my word. Bye-bye!